Yeah. Let us provide a solution to this problem that we are given. It reads evaluate 8 divided by 27 raised to the power negative 2 divided by 3. Here I am going to use three alternative methods to arrive at the same answer. Okay, let us start with the first method. We say first method. We are going to start with the first method. Now here, since we are given 8 divided by 27, then raised to the power minus 2 divided by 3. Okay. Now the first step, we are going to apply negative index law of indices. We use law, negative index law. Okay. By saying this becomes 1 divided by 8 divided by 27, then raised to the power 2 upon 3. Okay. Then the next step, we are going to apply product law of indices. We distribute the power over each factor. Therefore, this becomes 1 divided by, now this we say 8 raised to the power 2 upon 3, then divided by 27 raised to the power 2 upon 3. Okay. Now, the next step, we say 1 divided by, we are going to simplify this. Okay. By saying, we are going to say the cube root of 8 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 2 divided by the cube root of 27 raised to the power 2. Okay. Now, the cube root of this becomes 1 divided by the cube root of 8. It is 2. And this becomes 2 raised to the power 2 divided by. Then the cube root of 27. This one, you are going to have 3 raised to the power 2. Then, therefore, we have 1 divided by 2 raised to the power 2. It is 4 divided by, then 3 raised to the power 2. This giving you 9. Okay. Now we divide it by 1. Since this is fraction and we are having a division sign, we are going to say 1 divided by 1 multiplying by 9 divided by 4. Then, therefore, if you are multiplying the corresponding term, then your answer becomes 9 divided by 4 respectively. So it means your final answer that you asked to evaluate becomes 9 upon 4 respectively. So this is the first method. Let's just try to look at the second method for us to arrive at the same answer. Okay. Now, since the question reads as 8 divided by, let's just write it again. This is the second method. Okay. This is our second method. Now, since the question reads as 8 divided by 27 raised to the power negative 2 upon 3. Here, for you to get rid of this negative sign, you interchange these numbers. Okay. By saying 27 divided by 8 raised to the power 2 upon 3. Now you have get rid of the negative sign. Therefore, you applied also product law of indices by saying, and this is 27, the cube root of 27, the cube root of 27 raised to the power 2 divided by the cube root of 8 raised to the power 2, right? Then this is equals, and the cube root of 27, we know it is 3 raised to the power 2. Okay. Then divided by the cube root of 8, it is 2, then raised to the power 2. Then we know 3 raised to the power 2 means 3 times 3 divided by 2 raised to the power 2 means this is 2 times 2. Then therefore, if you multiply, this becomes 9 divided by 4 respectively. So it means your answer also becomes 9 upon 4. Now let's look at the last one, where we are going to use the index notation. We say this is our third method. Okay. Third method. Here, since the question reads also as 8 divided by 27 raised to the power negative 2 divided by 3. Here, We are going to say, let's also expressing this 8 in its index notation as, we know 8 also can be expressing as 2 raised to the power 3, okay? Whereas 27 can also be expressing as 3 raised to the power 3, okay? That is, this is equals 2 times 2 times 2, wherein this is 3 times 3, okay? Therefore, this becomes, instead of 8, we write 2 raised to the power 3 divided by, this is 3 raised to the power 3, okay? Then everything raised to the power negative 2 divided by 3. According to indices, if a number or a letter has the same power, then you're going to take one power for them. That is, this is 2 divided by 3. We are going to take one power for them. Then this is, we use the giant bracket for this power, this fractional power. Okay, but remember, power law of indices stated as, if a number or letter is raised to a power and again raised to another power, multiply 2 powers for you to have your final answer. Therefore, if you multiplied by saying, I will say 3 times negative 2 divided by 3. Remember, 3 cancel 3, then what remains is 2 divided by 3. Okay, and raised to the power negative 2. Now from this point, if you want to get rid of this negative sign, interchange the numbers. 3 moving up, then 2 comes down. What remains is the square. Then, if you say 3 square, distribute the power over each factor, divided by 2 square. Okay, then this becomes, and 3 square means 9 divided by 2 square means 4. Okay, then you're going to have the same answer also as required for the first, second, and third approach. Thank you for watching. Make sure you share, comment, like for us to build the mathematics community.